Hello friends, welcome to Semi Tutor. Let's do the 12th chapter of this book, which is present tense, simple present tense. Here, present tense means what? Present tense tells us about action that we do daily or regularly. For singular nouns, except I or you, we add s to the verb. The example of this is here, see. It is a singular noun, child. The child walks to school. So we add s over here. And for plural nouns or I or you, we do not add s to the verb. For example, you can say they watch television. We don't use s, okay? We don't use like they watches television. Let's do this. Complete Sheena's daily routine using verbs in the present tense from the box. I dash up at 6 a.m. So what will come? I wake up. I wake up at 6 a.m. every morning. I brush my teeth. Dash a bath. What will come? Take a bath. Then dash wear my school uniform. So wear my school uniform. I dash my breakfast before I leave for the school. I eat my breakfast. Then dash home by 2 p.m. I reach home. REACH, reach home by 2 p.m. and eat my lunch. I dash my homework and then I finish my homework. And then I dash with my friends in the park. And then I play. In the evening, I dash television. I watch television and eat my dinner. I dash go to sleep by 10 p.m. I go to sleep by 10 p.m. The verbs you wrote above are in simple present tense. We use simple present tense to state facts. For example, we live close by, it is a fact. Talk about repeated action. We go there every day. Okay? Then express thoughts. We like going there. We use the base form of the verb for plural nouns or I or you. Plural noun. For example, the children walk to school. Base form of the verb is walk. And plural noun is children. Likewise, we saw before that we don't use s after a verb while using a plural noun. We add s to the base form of the verb for singular nouns. Like the child walks to school. So we use s over here. To make the simple present tense for singular nouns, we add s to most verbs. For example, for simple present tense, we add s, okay? Climb, climbs. Sing, sings. We add es to the verbs ending in ch, ss, sh, x or zz. For example, teach, teaches. Push, pushes. For verbs ending in the consonant, we drop the y and add ies, okay? For example, try. For try, we write tries. Study, studies. For verbs ending in a vowel, we add s. Now you know what is a vowel, right? A vowel is a sound of a, e, I, o and u. Here, the sound of y is a, play, a. The sound of y is a. So, we use s after that. After that verb, play, plays, enjoy, enjoys. Have, go, do and be take different forms. For example, have becomes has, go become goes, do become does and be become is. Let's do page 60. Take the correct form of verb in simple present tense. Kunal water or waters his plant every day. Kunal waters his plant every day because Kunal is singular noun. I always has or have some rice for lunch. Now I again is a singular noun over here. So I have some rice. My father like or likes coffee. My father likes coffee. Because for a singular noun, we use s with the verb. The script writer writes the script writer writes the story. The doctors examine or examines the patient. Here this is a plural form of doctors, so we will use examine. We won't use s in the verb here. Okay. The carpenters, again here it is a plural form, so we will use make. Beautiful furniture. Shobha go or goes. Shobha goes for dance. The artist paint or paints. The artist paints. Okay, now complete this passage using the simple present tense of the verb. An old lady dash next door. An old lady lives next door. Her name is Mrs. Nagorao. She is short and sweet. Mrs. Nagorao is old but kind and helpful. She dash the birds and dogs every day. She feeds. Again with the singular noun we use s with the verb. She has a large garden. Many of us go there. It will be go only because many is a plural form. We dash play. We play and sing. We play, sing and dance. It will come as it is because we is a plural form. In her garden, we dash make a lot of noise. We make a lot of noise. But she does not dash us. She does not scold us. Here why scolds will not come? Because the word does is used over here, which is again a plural form of do. She dash tell us stories. She tells us stories and dash a lot and laughs. Laughs, laughs. All the children dash her. All the children, all is a plural form, so we will use love. Now let's do the C part. Complete these sentences using the simple present form of the verb in brackets. One has been done for you. Mihir and Sharanya walk to school every day. Now Noor write. So what we will write? Noor writes neatly. Neatly, neatly. We play. What we will write over here? We play in the garden. Then my brother cook. My brother cooks tasty food. Tasty, tasty. FOOD food. This medicine cure. So what will come over here? This medicine cures illness. The wolf hunt. So what we will write? The wolf hunts deer. The mouse squeak. The mouse squeaks. SQUEAKS. I watch cartoon movies. Okay. Now let's do the D part. Tushar has a new pet. He wants to tell his friend about it. Fill in the blanks to help him complete the letter. Okay. So here the letter is there. Address is written Sundaram Nagar, MC Road, Thanjavur, Tamil Nadu. Okay, it is 8 October and date. Dear Afsha, I hope you are well. I am writing to tell you about my new pet. It dash is or are a turtle. It is a turtle. I dash the little creature. I love the little creature. I dash it Koopa. I call it. Koopa dash fruits, leaves and small insects. Koopa eats. Okay. And it cannot dash move very fast. It cannot move very fast, but it can swim. The most interesting thing about Koopa is that it carries its house on its back. It can dash leave. It can leave for more than 100 years. If disturbed, it dash its head into the shell. It pulls. Did you know that turtles lived on Earth even before dinosaurs? I will see you during summer vacations. Take care, your friend Tushar. So, friends, we end this session over here. Do share this with your friends and also subscribe. Thank you.